In this video, guys, we're going to look at trading improvement starts with this. If you're struggling, stick around. For many traders, just looking and going, it's not working. Whatever I'm doing now is not working. I need to erase everything and just start from scratch. And so let's have a look at this. So in part one is this, an objective and honest review of performance. Sometimes we have this sunk cost fallacy. We think we spent so much time doing this, that we should be carrying on doing this. And in reality, if you're honest and you're looking at performance, you're like, it just hasn't worked. None of that has worked for me. Not anything has worked at all. I have no periods of good trading, or if I do, it's undone immediately. I need to have an objective. Now, let me just kind of wind back a second with that sentence. If you do have good periods of trading, then you can honestly review and go, okay, what do I do then? And we extract that. But if your trading has just been diabolical and you've just not performed, and don't beat yourself up about it, that is super common. An equity curve that's just going down and down and down is super common and the most likely scenario for many new traders. Doesn't mean it can't suddenly change around and we sort it out, but what it does mean is you need to be objective. You need to go, right, I need to stop this going lower. Okay, look at it frankly and go, what am I doing? What's the performance? And if you look at it and go, it's just bad, then move on. Then we go look at what needs to be overhauled ASAP. So what does this mean? This basically means a broad overview. It's just like, okay, I need to be more professional in my approach. I can't be punting away on the phone. I can't be just coming and sitting on the screen and guessing. I can't be just taking stock tips and without any data to back it up or any idea. I can't just be looking at a chart when I sit at the screen and taking it. I can go through numerous things. You'll probably know if you're watching this and go, you know what? That's really not a professional approach. Would somebody give me 10 million pounds, dollars to manage if I was doing this? Probably not. So what do you need to overhaul? Do you need to overhaul the way you approach things? The place you trade from? Do you need to sort your desk out, sort your clutter out, get everything sorted out, limit number of screens, whatever? Is it kind of that type of thing? Or is it having a checklist? Is it being more efficient with your journaling? You'll know that there's something that you said you're going to do you haven't done. Have you got a trading plan? All this stuff. What needs to be overhauled first? Deal with that. Next thing is a decision on what needs to be focused on first. So overhauled ASAP, should I say, and what needs to be focused on first. Now, when you have your overhaul and you put together your plan, blah, 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 all this kind of stuff, fine. But then you need to look at this, and this really links in with this, guys. This is where you link in and go, right, my objective and honest review of performance should identify what needs to be focused on first. And you probably know this. This might be it's overtrading. I know it's overtrading, in which case that's your answer. It might be FOMOing to trades. It might be trading on tilt. It might be any of those things, and we can stand here for ages and talk about them, and there's so much that I've talked about before. But once you've identified that, you go, right, I need to work on that now. I know I need to work on that. I know that, and by the way, it may well be that there's all these things. I'm overtrading, I'm FOMOing, I'm this and that and the other. But what's the biggest thing that if you could fix, you could just go, wave a magic wand and fix, what would that be? And then doing that. And that's the key, guys, to incremental improvement and making progress, is to not look at the whole lot and go, okay, fine. Let me be objective and honestly review what's going on. Let me look at have a look at what needs to be overhauled ASAP from a kind of overall macro view, a bird's eye view of things. I'm just not very professional. I'm just not trading in a way I should be trading. I'm not recording things as I should be. You know the answer to that one. And then it's looking at what needs to be focused on first from a trading perspective. What's the biggest thing that if you could fix now would have a massive impact on your trading? Is it overtrading? Is it this, is that, the other? The final thing is, this is the big one. The decision to implement the new plan, no matter what, for the next 30 days. So once you've decided a new structure, a new plan, a new approach, a new way of trading, you will just make the decision, just like that you will stick to it for 30 days no matter what. Now, it should be at a position size that if it doesn't work for you, it's not detrimental to your account in any way, but it's a discipline exercise. It's you saying, I'm going to wipe the slate clean, I'm going to start fresh, and from here, I'm going to do X, then I'm going to do this, then I'm going to do this and this. And I'm not caring what the results are, but I can't just carry on and just keep losing and struggling and struggling and struggling. I need to do something. And it starts with the objective and honest review of performance, the look at what needs to be overhauled ASAP from a kind of overview perspective, then the decision on what needs to be focused on first from an operational trading plan, trading perspective, I need to deal with overtrading. Then it's a decision to implement the new plan involving the improvements to this and then this based on the review of this for the next 30 days. And make the decision and stick to it. And then see how you get on and iterate and iterate and iterate and iterate. Try and do too many things, you won't get anywhere. You're not objective, you're not honest, you won't get anywhere. Those are things that I feel, guys, to help you move forward have to be done. Take care. Let me know how you get on in the comment section below. Appreciate all your support. Bye-bye.